We are at 12658 New Providence. We are in Southern Highlands, located in Las Vegas. This is a great community. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
This is a single-story home with 3-car garage, fully remodeled. It's actually really gorgeous inside.
And the primary bathroom has a large walk-in shower.
One of my favorite parts about this home is the resort-style backyard that it has. The pool is large enough that if you want to just float around or you want to do laps, you can enjoy the pool and the waterfall, or there's a putting green and a covered patio.
I can't wait to show you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. We're at 12658 New Providence. We're in Southern Highlands. This is a gated community. Has mountain view over here as well. This house has 3-car garage. It's a 4-bedroom, 4 bathrooms. And one of the bedrooms has a bathroom inside, which is really, really nice. It does have a den, a separate dining room. Look at this courtyard, so pretty. Tall ceilings, as you can see here. Wait till you see this upgraded house. Can't wait to show you everything that it has. We are in Southern Highlands community. We are right down the street from the M Casino, which has a lot of restaurants, of course the casino, and a great pool there too.
It's also right down the street from St. Rose Parkway, which is now home of a lot of different restaurants, a Costco, and of course St. Rose Hospital. And this home is located in a gated community with an HOA of $161. That HOA includes a pet park, and a pool for everyone to enjoy.
So we're gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and an amazing resort style backyard. So if you want to know more about this property, leave the information down below, or you can call us, text us, email us. However you want to get a hold of us, we're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.